welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm looking crazy because I'm always trying something new. So today I'm going to do individual lashes on myself for the first time. And these are how they turned out actually. First time. These are the lashes that I use. They are Kiss lashes. They're individual. I Envy by Kiss. They're not free, and the number on it is KP. The letter and the number on it is KPE05UB. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now, and let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So this is how the lashes look. They're really like small, tiny pieces of lashes. So I dab it in a little bit of hair glue, and then I'm gonna lift my eyelid up and place it on the brown part under my eye, not the wet liquidy part. I guess where you tear up at, not that part, but on the dry part, like right under my lashes. And then I'm going to use the tip of the tweezers just to push it in so that it'll dry flat and it'll be basically invisible. And as you can see, I just continue to add the lashes. So can y'all tell my lashes are, like, can you tell I'm putting on these individuals on this eye? Honestly, I can't tell right now. So then I just added a few more lashes just to make it fuller and fill it in a little bit more. And this is how it turned out. I'll think about these lashes. Once again, these are the Kiss lashes. The box look like this, and they come in a pack like this. I still have 2 rows left, so I guess I can do some more lashes whenever. So I just put my under my eyelid, so it looks more natural. So my real lashes are on top. I hope you guys like this video. Tell me what you think about these lashes. I like these better than I like this strip.